Hey, today I am talking about something different on the stocks. Here you can see the stocks trade at this moment $161, and these stocks give today return which is 0.3%. In the last 5 days these stocks make 2.5%, 1 month return 4% return, 6 month return 21% lose the stocks money. Year to date return, here you can see how much return, lose 11% return these stocks make, and 1 year's return these stocks make approximately 10% return. Okay, and here you can see 5 years return which is 8% return in the last 5 years. In the maximum return these stocks make 300%. That means these stocks make poor return, I know that, but if you invest in the stocks from starting $1,000, your money will become $3,000. Okay, so what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below. I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.